Alright, welcome to Game Programming 1, and I'm sitting on my screen. I'm showing you guys my screen. I'm Mr. Gryboski, and I'm showing you all the courses that I teach. I'm sitting on my Schoology screen. So one thing I want to share with you guys also, first just a quick tip. Whenever I hit courses, and I think this is true with you guys as well, if I hit courses and you'll notice the picture gets cropped. So I prefer to go to the Schoology dashboard. If I just click over here in Schoology, it brings me to my course dashboard. And it still shows me all the courses, same thing. But now it shows the full picture. It's easier. So if I were you guys, I would do that. I'd click on that. Alright, now just a little bit about me, like what I'm teaching this year. I'm getting old, so I need these guys. Alright, so my period 8th is the Cougar Connect. My period 7th is computer applications. My period 1, 2, and 3. I know it's not in order. This is kind of strange how this layout. I'm not sure why. But anyway, 1, first period, second period, and third period are all game programming. So that's this class. And then my 5th period, Tuesdays and Fridays, is personal finance. So that's 5th, 7th, and 8th. Those are all Tuesday, Friday. And then 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. These are all the game programming class, Monday and Thursday. Alright, so for those of you in 2nd and 3rd period, no worries. It should work the same. I'm just going to click on 1st period. But it's the same class. I have it duplicated. And here's the link. Repl. It's the link that we're looking for to get going in this class, and that is the URL. Now this URL is different for 2nd period and 3rd period, so I just want to make sure I point that out, because so if you're like looking at this and you try typing that in and you're in my period 2 or 3, it's not going to work. I want you to go to your period, your Schoology account, period 2 and period 3, because it's a different link. I created a class for each of my periods. Alright, so I'm going to click on this guy. I'm pretending like I'm a student here. And it sends you to an invite page and says, okay, you want to log into this class. Notice, this class. Well, mine is showing because I already did this once just to test it. But the problem is I'm logged in as Mr. Gryboski, not as a student. So watch, I'll show you. When I go back to my Replit homepage, boom. If I go to my teachers page, it'll show all the courses that I've created out here. So I've got a period 1, period 2, period 3. They're cloned, so they're exactly the same courses. But I designed this so that I set up 3 different classes so that it's easier for me to organize based on my students in period 1, period 2, and period 3, and so forth. So that during class time, when I'm just talking with those of you in period 1, I'm only looking at those students. And same thing with 2 and 3. Alright, so now the problem is, so I'll click in. I'm logged in as teacher. I want to show you guys what it looks like as student. So if I go down here to student overview, I can look to invite more. I can get this link. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, and I'm going to trick it. So I'm logged in here. I'm logged in under Chrome right now. This is Chrome. And I'm going to go down to my bottom here and click on Internet Explorer and open up a new window, Internet Explorer. Paste that link. And then I'm going to use my son's login. And that's Adam. Oh, I just did it a while back to test it, but it looks like it remembered me. So let's say I was logged out. This is what will happen for you guys. You see this home page and you go, huh, so what do I do? Okay. Oops. There we go. And it says, and this is what you see when you click on the link. Welcome to period 1, 2, or 3. And then I give you instructions to say click on the Google, because District 11's email address is associated with a Google account. So all of you have a Gmail account. And so I'm going to click on this guy and say log me in using Gmail. And I've already put in my son's info, which is my first name dot last name at d11.org, and then the same password that the district gave you. So now I'm logged in to Repl.it as my son. And I'm going to click on this course, and now I get to see the assignments.